Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will review about Crownit survey app. It is really paying or fake. Don't skip any part of the video, watch till end. So let's get started. So guys, Crownit is survey company working in India and you can earn air by answering survey and playing game. So first of all, you have need to sign up. So guys, I am now enter my number, then click continue. You can see it login me automatic and enter your location here. Guys, you can see my payment proof which I have received from Crownit. You can see guys, I have completed survey worth 150. Guys, now I am going to share with you my earning from Crownit. So guys, you can see my payment from Crownit. Guys, I have received this money from Crownit and per survey you will get up to 150. So guys, you can see I have received this money from Crownit. Guys, you can see here. Guys, when you sign up, must enter my refer code. You will earn some money by enter it. And guys, you can also earn by playing. You can see many games here like Snack Man, Rapid Fire, Word Swipe, etc. So guys, how to perform a survey? You will receive message from Crownit like this. Guys, you can see I have received a message from Crownit. When you click on the link, it will require your number for OTP. So please verify your mobile number. So enter your mobile number which you have signed up for Crownit. So guys, you can see survey is processing now. Select your language which you know. Guys, video will be long, so I have stopped this survey now. So guys, I will provide link in description. Must check out and join now Crownit and also enter my refer code. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.